Okay, so in section one of module one, the goal was to provide an overview for the various components of the firm strategy. And so we talk about the firm strategy in terms of the fact that it's a plan, right? Strategy is associated with the plan the firm has to achieve its goals. The firm creates an intended strategy, but then once that intended strategy is put into action, right, or is implemented by the firm, competitors respond, and an emergent strategy results, right, or a realized strategy. Uh, Strategies that are taken by individuals, right? So the individual is kind of the leader, the decision maker. That individual within the firm is a key component of what we talk about in strategy. In fact, when you guys are doing your cases in this class, you'll be asked to take the role of the leader of the firm. So inherent to strategy is the role of the leader or the individual. The strategy of the firm refers to the utilization of resources, right? So in Module 3, we'll talk about the internal environment of the firm. We'll talk about resources, capabilities, competencies, and how firms utilize their resources dictates how well they are or how good they do at achieving their strategy. Strategy also focuses on improving performance. Right? So we know that for firms to continue to exist and be successful, the performance needs to continue to improve. But finally, on the strategy piece, the strategy has to take place within the firm's external environment. So when we talk about strategy, we identify the external environment, something we'll talk more about in Module 2, because firms don't exist in a vacuum. The minute one firm makes a strategic action, a competing firm can make a competing action. And so we have to, when we think about strategy, we have to take into account the firm's external environment.